My name is Zelmene. I am a multimedia artist. In my works, I depict unusual landscapes in unusual formats. I have always been interested in history, and lately I have been trying to create works that can revive historical landscapes with the help of technology. Therefore, in this augmented reality exhibition, I have chosen to reconstruct the Esplanade Park in different times. Starting with prehistory, when at this place the largest hill in Riga was located called Kuba Hill, and ending with the last century, when the Latvian National Museum of Art was built in this square. These landscapes will be visible in the 360-degree photosphere format in the augmented reality application.
Hello, my name is Jurģis. I'm a new media artist. My main focus is exploration of different phenomena caused by new technology and its possible consequences. This year I graduated from Art Academy of Latvia with a master's degree in visual communication. For this exhibition I'm presenting my work, So Strange Yet So Familiar. The piece depicts AI trying to create a portrait of myself that is indistinguishable from the real one. Considering the fact that AI is carrying out increasingly vital tasks, from considering whether a person is liable for a loan, to flying military drones, and as a recent incident has shown, deciding whether the drone should attack a living target, it makes one wonder, how far are we from the superintelligence? The ability to create a synthetic reality that is indistinguishable from the real one blurs the boundaries between the reality and a simulation, between what is created by an algorithm and what is not.
The artwork Soulmate is created by thinking of the meaning of soil and its appearance in our everyday life. Soil is a unique and irreplaceable substitute which consists of life and lifeless organisms. It is one of the components which makes life on Earth possible. The artwork is created as a personification of planet Earth. It is a non-binary version of Gaia, whose flesh and skin, as same as the planet Earth, is covered in soil. Gaia is an ancient Greek goddess of Earth. Exists a Gaia theory, which is named after this goddess. This theory was developed by scientists in the 70s, and it posits that Earth and its biological systems behave as a huge single entity, which consists of millions of subsystems, and it operates to regulate its own environment. According to this, Earth acts like it's alive. And this theory also says that everything is increasingly connected. Everything is a part of Gaia, a part of the Earth, including soil. So the way humans treat the soil impacts all life. For the visual inspiration of my idea, I looked into the Stone Age, Paleolithic period 25,000 years ago. It is considered that in that time humans had a mother cult and also Mother of Earth cult, which is the reason why they created so-called Venus figurines. And inspired by these figurines, I created a three-dimensional augmented reality sculpture, which is covered with 4 different types of soil, which I found in Esplanade Park, which is the location for the artwork. Why I chose to work with this topic is because by creating visual artworks, I'm trying to explain to myself what kind of environment I'm living in, what I'm surrounded with, and of what my daily life consists of. And I'm also interested in how human habits, wishes, choices, and actions are interacting with the environment.
Forest is a speculative look into plausible new tree species that could cover the earth in the future to maintain natural balance. These new species are the result of evolution of existing ones and mutation between them using a machine learning algorithm. These trees have qualities from multiple trees from different environments. That allows them to be more resilient to future environments and in some cases even migrate away from the environment if it gets too harsh. I created a custom dataset of 39 existing tree species, starting with the ones that grow in my home country, Latvia, following with trees from my current location, Washington State, USA, and continued into tundra, deserts, rainforest, and even underwater, ending with rare tree species. I ended up with 120,000 new trees. The new trees were separated into 39 groups using unsupervised k-means clustering algorithm. Afterwards, I manually selected 1,848 trees with the most interesting color palette, shape, and background. I used the same keywords and tree species locations to build a custom soundscape dataset using FreeSounds API. With machine learning, similarly like creating the trees, I generated short samples of soundscapes for each new tree species. As tree species are manually selected for each soundscape by me imagining how the tree would move and interact with its environment. The website mesh.ai is an interactive digital archive consisting of 39 new tree species and soundscapes. Mesh means forest in Latvian. At the moment I'm working on a phase 2 where I create a semi-realistic environment video showing how Earth might look like if these trees would populate nature. These two videos you can see here are the first sketches of this phase. I'm interested to use AI not as a solutionist strategy for climate change, but to comment on the effects of anthropocene on the environment, to speculate about the potential of future imaginations by the collaboration of human and non-human agents, to investigate the poetics of AI both visually and sonically by creating an immersive experience.